title is Flight Delay Analysis, and our teammates are Amit Kumar Gupta, registration number 20MCA0009, Shiv Shankar Kumar, 20MCA0153, and me Naveen Kumar Singh, 20MCA0228. This is abstract of our project we have completed in review 1. Like in this project, we are trying to find out total delay in airlines. Like delays are very harmful for airlines companies as well as our environment. So find out total delays in times of due to reasons like weather forecasting or machinery failure. Going to find out delays. This is production part completed in review work, and yes, Amit. It's a
Yes, yes.
okay. So we are trying to find out total delays with various machine learning algorithm like random forest, linear regression, or KNN. These machine learning algorithm will be used in this project. So for this project, we are using this dataset with 10 lakhs rows, and columns are day of month, day of week. These all are columns. In this dataset, we had some anomalies and we removed in later. So these all are completed in review 1 literature survey. We have completed in we also completed a motivation part for this project. We have completed suitable raw data set gathering. We have gathered with 10 lakhs rows that data set we are using, and also we found some anomalies and we cleaned that anomaly in review 1, and review 2 we checked some accuracy and implemented some machine learning algorithm. So in review 2 we have implemented we have seen that we implemented a random forest this algorithm. This was random forest, and after that we also checked the accuracy with logistic regression, and we implemented that in review 2. And also KNN algorithm we have implemented. These all are seen in review 2. So these codes used flight.csv file for data set, and after that we found some anomalies like a string in the numeric data set, and some numbers are in the string data set. So we review 2, and
Start.
so we built a model after checking the accuracy, like random forest model we have built, and logistic regression and can algorithm. This model we have built it after checking the accuracy. So in review 2, we are going to describe about result, this accuracy of logistic regression, random forest, these graphs, analysis, work progress, this future scope and conclusion. These all parts will be discussed in review 3. So for result, this result part will be discussed by our teammate Amit Kumar Gupta. Amit, now you start.
Yeah. Hello. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Amit Kumar Gupta. This is the result part, and this is the data before the pre-processing. The data set we have collected the 10 lakh data set. These are the some rows and columns. The rows is less because there is 19 rows just for a sample, but the column are this day of month, the day of week. There are various factor on which we are going to pre-processing the data, and before pre-processing the data set looks like that, and after pre-processing Change the slide. And after pre-processing, we have removed some unwanted or the column which are not necessary for the flight delay prediction. We just remove that, and after that, our new current data set looks like that, in which we have removed some columns and fill the missing values with the mean value of each row, each column. Now this is the result of the random forest and the confusion matrix and other result of the random forest algorithm, and this is the result of confusion matrix, and here is the accuracy, that is 99%, 93%, and weighted average is 97, micro average is 93, and this is the all about the random forest result when we built our model on the basis on the algorithm using random forest. uh, the next, this is the confusion matrix and the result obtained from the logistic regression. This is the confusion matrix, and this is the precision and all about the logistic regression. Here 86-89% is the micro average and weighted average, and this figure of decision tree value of precision recall f1 scores and f1 score and support and accuracy as well. Hence here accuracy of the algorithm is the 90%. Of the logistic regression, accuracy is the 90%, and the KNN algorithm result and the accuracy is 78%. We have used KNN and three algorithms like logistic regression, random forest, and KNN, and we got this result. Next. And this is the graph of, this is the bar chart in which we have draw the histogram, like flight number versus total number of the delay. Means we are saying that how much it dependent, like flight is like the delay is dependent on the flight number, on the flight number is a factor or not. So here we have plotted that diagram of the flight number versus total number of the delay, the column name of the flight number and the column name of the number of delay. The next, and the next is the flight number versus arriving delay. If a flight is versus arriving delay, we have developed a chart of a plotting a diagram of to find the flight number versus array of delay, arrival delay. And the next is, analysis part. The we have compared all the algorithm and their accuracy and f1 score and precision value. That is shown below, that the logistic regression is accuracy is 90%, random forest is 97%, KNN is 78%. So that's why we have chosen the random forest is the best. We compare that logistic regression and KNN. If we used with our data set, it will be less than the random forest. So it is better to use random forest for this model, to train this model. And these are the f1 score and precision value. And from now my friend Shivshankar will continue after this part.
I am going to explain following parts of our project, means work progress, future scope, conclusion, and reference part. And first part is work progress. We have done 20% of work progress in review 2. These are included topics are introduction parts, effective parts, literature survey parts, proposed method, and motivation. And these are done in 20% of review 1. And we have done 70% of work progress in review 2. These are included, means review 1 progress means introduction parts, abstract parts, literature survey parts, proposed method, and motivation parts. And then we are include methodology and result part. And we are done 100% of work progress of our project in review 3rd. And second is future scope. Further study and analysis is required to correlate all the problems, method, and scope for getting more accurate result. We are applying some algorithm, machine learning algorithm, and deep learning algorithm. All the weather conditions play a major role in the flight delay, we will try to figure out more reasons such as natural or man-made or major climate in future. These are future scope. And next slide. And next is a conclusion part. In this part, we are presented analysis of flight delay with some methodology that is used to use or flight cost a lot of company as a customer in financial and environment manners. It is very difficult to predict real-time delay for air transport systems with each region. Hence, there is a requirement to develop a system to analyze time as well monetary loss for customer satisfaction and a smooth operation classification or regression methodology include KNN algorithm, logistic algorithm, Navy-based algorithm, and random forest, etc. These are good for kind of prediction, but we need an algorithm as well as a system that is good with real-time prediction and analysis. So that is ground staff can create correct and a smooth operation plans. This part is our conclusion part. And next slide is our references. We are taking four project paper, four references. And first is log with fan with flight delay prediction based on aggregation, and in this paper included viewing data and machine learning algorithm. And this paper is references from IEEE and publication is of 2020. And second is young team divinity marvis. In this project title are a deep learning approach to flight delay prediction, which is references in IEEE 2016. And third is Savajit Manna, Sanket Viswas, and Riyanka Kundu. This is a statistical approach to predict flight delay using gradient boosted decision tree. And this paper is also IEEE, and the publication of year is 2017. And fourth is Rahul Nigam K. Govind, the cloud-based flight delay prediction using logistic regression, which is also references from IEEE project paper, and in this publication year is 2017. And these are our part, and thank you, ma'am.
This is our running project on the Jupyter notebook, and here first we have imported some library, then imported our data set, and after that we have seen that there are many null values in that data set. Then we have filled every column like a week, date of month, date of departure time, day of week, every column name, a column missing value we have filled with their mean value, and after we check that is there any null value exist or not, then there is a no null value present in any date, any column. After that, this is the header part of that we have filled with the null values. And after that we have allocated in the delay one file, and we have append if the delay is greater than the 15 minute, it will append 1, and if the delay is less than 15 minute, it will append with a 0. And after that we have copy with the new file, and we have a header file is here, that 01 concept is applying in the delay part, that which flight number has delay, so that we can identify that. And after that we have done the feature selection part also, like sklearn dot feature selection importing, we have select k based, and sklearn feature selection here. And after that we have seen that array of the means those column with have the maximum value has the more dependency on the delay part. So here we have the sampling, the sklearn model selection part, class balance we have done, logistic regression. After that we have applied the logistic regression algorithm, and logistic regression is the module from the library sklearn dot linear model logistic regression we have importing. And we have done we have trained the data set, 80% data set we have kept for the training part, and 20% to check that value. So here we got our accuracy part, that is 90%, our F1 score of the logistic regression. Same we have done for the logistic random forest also. It is importing from the file from the library sklearn.ensemble. And here we have trained our dataset value, and everything for the 80% and 20% is the same. And we got our accuracy like wait we got a random for the random forest, we got our accuracy is the 98%. Since my Jupyter notebook is currently in the running mode, so I have downloaded that PDF, and this is our accuracy part of that random forest. We have applied random forest. And again we have applying the visualization part of by using the matplot.lib. You can see the visualization part of our like this, the header file, the head file, and MATLAB is building. This is the things we have done in our project. And this is the visualization part, we have done something. And after that we have display which flight is the most delay, and that is also shown by using this graph, or this by plotting this graph. So this is the project we have done, and we have completed our big data project by using the some algorithm like random forest, logistic regression, and knn. And here we have completed our project of the flight delay analysis, and we got our percentage, we got our result as 90%, 98%. But the random forest has the highest accuracy, as we know that the random forest has highest the 97%. So this is our here our project is completed. And thanks for giving us opportunity to do a project like this. And thank you, ma'am.